Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this video we will go over how to add the academic calendar to your Google Calendar, which we will refer to as GCal. To start with, we need to get the iCalendar link for the academic calendar. This will be referred to as the iCal link for the rest of the video. I'm already logged into my Canisius. In the left-hand side menu, find and click on the My Calendars drop-down menu. These are all of the calendars you have access to. You can subscribe to the academic, facilities, faculty/staff, final exam schedule, public, and student calendars. For this tutorial, click on the academic calendar. In the upper right, click on the subscribe link. A new window will pop up. Click on the second option titled iCalendar Subscribe. Right-click on the link that starts with WebCal. Click on the option titled Copy Link Address in the menu that appears. Now go to GCal. I already have mine open on a separate tab. In the lower left corner, click on the plus sign to the right of Other Calendars. In the options that appear, choose From URL. Paste in the iCal link. Then click on the blue Add Calendar button. The calendar will be automatically created under Settings for other calendars. We should rename this newly created calendar so we know what it is in the future. Click on Prod Academic Calendar 2. Click on where it says Name with Prod Academic Calendar 2 underneath it. I'll change the name of my calendar to be simply Academic Calendar. Then I will click on the back arrow to the left of Settings in the upper left corner of the screen. Keep in mind that it may take GCal some time to populate the information from the academic calendar. Another useful tip is that GCal considers these events to be starting at midnight, 12 a.m. This means that the academic calendar event will show up at the very top of the calendar as a little sliver of text. Therefore, you may have to scroll up towards 1 a.m. on GCal to see events from the academic calendar. You can click on the sliver of text to see more information about the event. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thank you for watching and have a good rest of your day.